Before returning to work, mothers often worry about maintaining breastfeeding. Planning ahead is essential. Before starting work, begin pumping and storing milk 2 weeks in advance. Practice using the pump at home to build comfort and confidence. Create a pumping schedule that matches your baby's feeding routine. Store milk in labeled containers with date and time. After returning to work, maintaining regular pumping sessions helps stabilize milk supply. Many mothers successfully continue exclusive breastfeeding for months with proper planning. After establishing a routine, pumping becomes easier and less stressful. Breastfeeding can continue even when physically apart from baby.